Hey, what's up, guys? Thank you for watching another of my videos. So today what I got here is the whole compilation of issues I've been having with the Ender 3 Pro. As you can see, this is the hot end. I took it apart because I have to explain certain things. So first I thought the nozzle was clogged, so I took it off, cleaned it off, and it was not that issue. Then I took this part where the tubing goes, I cleaned it off, and I noticed that the tubing shrinked up a little bit. I have to show you this. It shrinked up so the PLA couldn't pass through. So let me see where it is. So I cut the tubing, and I tried to do the same thing again, and it wasn't that. Changed the nozzle, it wasn't that. Then I noticed on the internet they say it was the extruder. I look into changing the extruder, replacing it. I ordered a new extruder, and I have it here. It's just the part that feeds the machine with PLA. And I have another issue. That extruder is loose. One of the screws is loose, so I can't even actually change that. But that was not the whole problem itself. It's two problems. Actually, then I took the extruder apart. I noticed that one of the screws is stripped, so I can't do anything about it. I really don't know how to take it off. I had to take the whole motor off, and I can't really change it, and I don't know how to really take it off. I'm afraid that I'm gonna damage the C motor or whatever the motor this thing is. No, I mean the extruder motor. I took one off, perfect, then the other stripped. That's not fun. And I noticed my machine was under extruding either way. But then I kept looking at videos of people talking about it and saying that that was not the only under extrusion problem. Sometimes what happens is that the tubing that goes in here goes there, right? Correctly. Okay. So it goes here, and the problem is over time this starts going up. There's a gap between the tubing and the nozzle, the end of the tubing, and starts filling out with PLA that it melts. And then actually what happens is the PLA gets out and it clogs the nozzle, it clogs the tubing. And last thing I was trying was to actually try to print, and it was horrible. And the whole PLA actually got out through here. I don't know how to really show you guys. Let me try to bring it down. So yeah, through here, because in the hot end there's a little metal tip right here, like a little tubing that goes up. Well, my PLA was getting out through here, so when I took it off apart, I already cleaned it, but it was full with PLA there. So it's not a fun thing, because at the end of the day you don't know what is really going on. Then I took the PTAEF tubing, whatever it is, and look what I found. It's melting it. So pretty much the problem with this is the tubing you get with the machine is not good. So over time it shrinks, it contracts, and it's just not good, because if it contracts, the PLA is gonna have a hard time passing by. So I'm even wondering if my extruder feeder was good or not, but I already purchased a new one, so I'm already either way there, and I have to change it due to the fact that this thing is stripped. So that means we don't know if it is loose or if it is tight, so I really have to change this part. And that's my three problems: nozzle, then this gap in the hot end, and that really makes a difference. I searched on YouTube, and most people said that was the whole issue they had. They still change the extruder feeder and all that. So I have a really couple issues at the moment, guys. And look, as you can see, this thing shrink at the end, so the PLA can't even come through. So I really have to replace the tubing too. And this end is just horrible in the sense that it just filled out with PLA. It's a headache. It's a nightmare. So right now, I don't even know when I might be able to use the printer again. And I'm researching what I can do, and I really didn't want to spend much money on it. So I'm just gonna do more research, and I hope I can fix it. Either way, I gotta get new tubing. I gotta cut this out. I gotta fix it the best way possible, so it's not gonna give me that issue. But this tubing is not good. They should let you know. I just turned it up to 250 to clean the nozzle, and look what it did. It just shrinked it. I don't know if you guys can see it that good, but it just totally shrinked it. The PLA can even go through, and that's freaking crazy in my opinion, because that's what happened here and to there. But this time it shrinked it way faster. It should be a tubing that can last long time and let you know, or give you an options when you purchase the machine. But I didn't know it was my first machine, thanks to the shinryseries. So I'm just pointing this out to you guys. When you get your new machine, really look into fixing this. I read online a couple ways to fix it, and I'm gonna let you know later on. I'll let you know about the extruder too. You know, it's an upgrade. You guys should do it. It's gonna save you a lot of headaches, because I wasted a lot of PLA that is not even that issue. But, well, yeah, PLA is an issue on timing. So it's a big issue. So that's the whole thing. The big gap here, and then the extruder. So that's why I was getting so much under extrusion at the moment. I remember my last test print before, when I unclogged everything, was this. But you can see the stringing. I even lowered the speed and everything. So I hear some people have this issue since they opened the box. Thank God I didn't have it. But imagine you have it, you don't know anything about it, and you're brand new. At least I have a couple months with this. I've been looking into problems and issues. So yeah. All right, guys. I just wanted to point this out for you guys that own an Ender 3 Pro and are new to this. So hopefully you guys can point me in the right directions. I need help really fixing this issue. It's not crazy, but at the same time, it's time consuming. I lost a lot of time being able to print. Time is money, as you guys know it. So thank you for watching, guys. Have a good one. Let me know what I can do to fix this issue. It was great talking to you guys. Peace.